Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. I'm so well too. Thank you all for asking. Today I want to share with you this recipe. It's a recipe, I call it anointed rice. Angwa Mo, or oil rice. It's so anointed, you love it. But as soon as you finish eating this one, or you feel say yes, you are anointed. Yeah. So this is a very easy, simple one. It's not your normal way of making Angwa Mo, but it is even more delicious. So stay with me and I'll show you how. For starters, let's go through our ingredients. So I have my eggs, I have corned beef and some sausages or frankfurters. Hot dogs actually. I have some oil, rice, minced garlic and some onions. Yeah. So the rice, if you saw that, it was cooked rice. Yes, that is the twist to this traditional delicacy. You will love it. This tastes nicer, way nicer than our normal way of making Angwa Mo. So I just fried some onions, okay, white normal onions, and I've added some minced garlic. Trust me, a little minced garlic, and you see it. You've taken this Angwa Mo to another level. Amazing. I also added butter. This is optional because let me change it. So I added some butter. Right. So then it's just literally like stir-fried rice. Okay, stir-fried plain rice. So this is pre-cooked rice. Did you know what to do with it? Right. In case we're not going to eat it like that. I didn't have stew and it was just there. So I decided to make it. My kids love Angwa Mo. So I did that and it was amazing. It was great. Okay, so you add your rice to it and then you stir fry it, break down all the lumpy rice and everything, and then within a few minutes your Angwa Mo is ready. You will love this recipe. This is perfect for a busy weekday or like some quick, can you hear me? Quick snack or quick lunch. You know, some people are coming over and they want Angwa. If they don't want Angwa Mo, you make Angwa Mo if you have leftover rice. Very, very nice. You can even choose to make your Angwa Mo like that. So the Angwa Mo is done, it's just done. Yeah. And the next thing we're going to be doing is to pan frying or sauteing the rest of our little accompaniment. So this is my hot dog, okay? It is actually a hot dog. It's not frankfurters, but you can use frankfurters or what you people call sausages, whatever. You can use it. Anything you can use corned beef. As I'm using corned beef here, so I dipped it into some egg and I'm going to be frying each side, every side, all the four corners, okay? It comes out beautiful. You will love the outcome because my husband likes his corned beef warm or hot, if I can say, but then just putting it in a microwave and whacking it, I'm not sure. So if you dip it in some egg and then you pan fry it, now it gives it nice, exterior, nice. It looks really beautiful, better than normal corned beef. And so yeah, you see the second one looked really good. So what I'm going to just what you find me do is I push the corned beef to the sides of the pan so that all those sides can all fry nicely. And yeah, that is it. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to fry our eggs, and then I'm using butter for everything. Just I want this thing to sister Didi now and the put a little butter in your frying egg because and you love it. Oh, you will love it. Yeah. I actually have an Angwa Mo recipe I'm bringing to you. It's just a normal Angwa Mo recipe, but it has a very beautiful twist. It has a surprise for you guys, so look out for it. It will be coming very, very, very soon. You will love that recipe. Actually, you will love that video. So the egg is done, and yeah, I had to taste it, even though it doesn't need tasting. I actually didn't add salt to it, too. I forgot to add salt, but then the Angwa Mo, you put everything together and it tastes well, right? The corned beef is a little bit salty, so plus the hot dog. So when you mix it all together now, just the cushiano went nicely, so not a problem. Sometimes it's good to reduce your salt. So I served it with all the accompaniments we just prepared, and it was a bomb. It's like, when I made it for my husband, I asked him, what food did you eat? He was confused. I said, but you know what I've eaten. What are you asking me? And I said, I'm asking, what food did you eat? And he said, Angwa Mo. I said, bingo, there it is. Angwa Mo. Yeah, that is it done for you. Thank you all for joining me. And I do appreciate all of you. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.